that I send my mind to. I believe in my abilities to succeed. I repeat, I'm smart and capable of learning anything.
Today we're going to be learning about the Constitution of India.
Tivedian is confused while holding a civics book.
I am the Constitution of India. I guide how the country works.
So what do you give us?
I give you rights, like right to freedom, right to equality, right to speech, and right to education, and more.
1949, November 26th, the draft constitution was adopted for the country India. When we listen, we understand everything.
I am B.R. Ambedkar. The Constitution was drafted on 26 November 1949. It gained effect on 26 January 1950. We wrote this Constitution so that every citizen of India gets equal opportunity.
In everything I do.
We promise to protect our planet,
Stay prepared and help others during disaster.
and help others during disaster.
We have to divide ourselves to different groups and fight? Never. That is called unity in diversity. Our culture is varied, but we are one. At the end, when we speak about state, that is all where we are living. But at the end, when we speak about the country, India is my country and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
Today I stand before you to speak about a document that serves as the backbone of our democracy, the Constitution of India. It is not just a political text, but dreams, hopes and aspirations of millions of Indians who envisioned an equal and united nation.
Which of the following correctly identifies the three branches of government under the Indian Constitution? Which of the following correctly identifies the three branches of government under the Indian Constitution? Legislative, executive and judiciary, Parliament, Prime Minister's Office and Supreme Court, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President's Office, Union Government, State Governments and Local Governments. Yes? Yeah, answer is correct. So 10 mark, okay? Mark 10. Which house?
Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Day, is celebrated on 26th November every year to commemorate the
fundamental rights. Right to freedom, right against exploitation.
Justice, social, economic and political. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee.